Welcome back, and as promised, here's the video for the Frank August Honey Bourbon Lemonade. I know in the last video, me and cousin Tim started hitting on it, and I cut it short because I said I'm gonna make a video showing you how I make it. So as promised, this is the video. The story I started was telling you how I ended up doing this, which was actually it was Sandra's idea. We were cooking at Memphis in May, and one day before we went out, just a few weeks ago, one day before we went out, I had a bottle of Blue Note honey rye that I was taking anyway to sip on. Excuse me. Sandra had some Simply Lemonade that she was taking because I think she had slid my bottle open and did it before we went. But anyway, that's what she was doing at the competition, was mixing the Blue Note honey rye with the Simply Lemonade. So after the competition, I came home and I kind of started playing around with it, which we were out of the Blue Note. And it is not that easy to find the honey rye, even in Memphis, even with Blue Note being in Memphis. And I was just lazy and didn't want to go to the store. So I had this Frank August sitting on the table looking at me, which me and cousin Tim had been saying we're going to do a video on it anyway. Started using the Frank August. After about 3 different iterations and Sandra tasting it, she found one that she proclaimed to be perfect. And that is the recipe that I'm going to share with you today. So let's get into it, and we're going to make this drink. All right, here we go. Let's make it. Easy to make. All you need is a little Simple Lemonade is what I use. Some honey syrup. Easy to make. It's just like a simple syrup. 1 part water, 1 part honey. You can do 1 part water, 2 parts honey. It'll be a little thicker. I don't like mine that thick. Freshly squeezed lemonade. I'm sorry. Lemons, not lemonade. You can use freshly squeezed lemons if you don't have any already made up. It's to taste. So we'll get into that. And of course, the Frank August small batch, and it is 50% ABV, which makes it 100 proof. The first thing I like to put in is the honey syrup. The honey syrup is actually, you have to tune it to taste for who you're making it for, or if you're making it for yourself, but you do want the honey because hence it's honey bourbon lemonade. Usually I will do 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce because you want to taste the honey. Normally I straight up do 1 ounce. And I put that in first. With the lemon juice, you can go 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce, depending on how tart you want it. Because you want to taste the tartness of the lemon because it's lemonade. And if you're using a store-bought brand, it's not going to be as tart as if you make fresh lemonade. Now, if you make fresh lemonade, that's a game changer. So if you do it with fresh lemonade, let me know how it turns out. Don't use Kool-Aid. It's not going to work too well. We thought about Chick-fil-A, way too sweet. So Simply is actually, if you're not making it, that's probably the best that you're going to do. So with the lemon, depending on how tart, you can go 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce. I do 1/2 ounce. And finally, the good stuff, what makes the drink, Frank August, 2 ounces. And I am almost out of Frank August small batch, but that's all right because I have some single barrel too. Bar spoon. I'm sorry. I'm messing up. Lemonade. Top it off with lemonade. That's how you finish it. your bar stool, bar spoon, incorporate it all together. I am having a bad day today, probably because I need a drink. And you can put a straw in it. That's pretty good. You can garnish it with a lemon wedge or a lemon peel. You can express the lemon oil over the top of the glass. Whatever you want to do with it, as long as you drink it, and drink it responsibly. That is very good. So that's it. It's that simple. It's an easy drink for hot summer days on the patio. It's refreshing, easy to make, quick to make. Oh, it's in my mouth. But if you make it, let me know how you like it.